There are several tents installed in this particular tent city in the run of Kutch. But as far as the Evoke tent city is concerned, they have also installed a special luxurious Darbari tent. This particular Darbari tent is meant for the VVIP guests, and Prime Minister is also likely to visit the run of Kutch. So if Prime Minister visits, then he will be staying in this particular Darbari tent. This particular Darbari tent is premium class, luxurious, with all these special amenities. Now, how it's being made, what are its specialties, and what makes it special? We'll take you inside. So as soon as you enter this particular Darbari tent, you will find this primary meeting hall. Well, first of all, let me tell you the speciality of this particular Darbari tent. The uniqueness and the speciality is that this is completely bulletproof since it is meant for the VVIP guest. So the walls of this particular tent are built by the iron walls. So that is why this will be completely a bulletproof Darbari tent. Apart from this, the entire area of this particular tent is 1600 square feet and it has all the kinds of amenities. We'll also take you inside. At my right hand side, there is the master bedroom of this particular tent. So this has particularly two bedrooms. So this is the master bedroom that you're watching on your television screens with all the amenities. This also has a dressing room, a living room, royal sofa set, private dining area, luxurious amenities, and non-alcoholic minibar, express check-in, and of course all these kind of facilities have been prepared over here within a few months, and that is what makes it more special. And apart from Darbari suite and Rajwadi suite, there are also the facilities of super premium tent, but the most special tent is this from where we are reporting right now. So this is the one bedroom that you're watching on your television screens, and there is this another bedroom just at my left hand side. There will be this another bedroom. So the speciality of these all tent is that these have been prepared just within few months, and this particular tent city, it was nothing but just a bare land, and every year this festival is being celebrated. This was started, in fact this was an initiative started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, and post then first it was organized in regular intervals, but now it's been organized every year, and this year it's been organized from November till the month of March, and the footfall is so much that the entire tent city is booked till the month of March. And these special kind of Darbari tents, there are three Darbari tents that have been prepared. One is for the Prime Minister, and two others are prepared in the Chief Minister area. So yes, in fact these all are the things that makes it so special, so different, and so unique. With Vijay Harendra, this is Tejshri for Times Network from Kutch.